We have determined that my client has no allergies or sensitivities, so today we will be using Nova Lash's high-speed platinum bond. Before I begin, I clean my client's lashes with Clean Lash to remove any makeup or debris. Properly placing the gel pads on the lower lash line, 1 to 2 millimeters from the waterline, making sure the upper and lower lashes have a proper seal. Using the Nova Lash signature glove technique allows me to work closely and effectively. Today I will be using 4 different lengths of lashes to give my client a fuller, overall natural look, using the back of my hand as a palette for the adhesive and the lashes. Carefully using the correct amount of adhesive at the base of each band extension, carefully placing on top of each single lash 3 to 4 millimeters from the lash line. Carefully separating from the base of each individual lash to allow the lashes to grow, rest, and shed freely. I will do this 3 to 4 times during the application process. Adding candy lashes and 24-hour cream shadow to complete my client's look. Using the Air Nova to ensure my client's lashes are dry and cured. I will be using air and distilled moisture to set the bond and avoid any fumes from getting into the eyes. Nova Lash's exclusive aftercare kit contains nighttime conditioner and cleansing pads with pomegranate seed extract for conditioning, along with glycol and carbonated-free mascara to use at the tip of the extension for a night sleek look. I have always prided myself on the overall health of my clients' natural lashes and have dedicated my time to provide the best service and products for my clients. As Nova Lash stands by their superior products, I stand for the overall health of my clients' lashes. Nova Lash's medical grade bond and 3-length bonding technique has allowed me to stand for what I believe in. Since May 2012, I immediately started building a client list and moved forward to working for myself. I have built my entire business off of Nova Lash's website and referrals. I am now booked out 3 to 4 weeks. Still to this day, I work closely with my mentor and educator. I have performed as a guest artist on the red carpet for the past 3 years. I feel so honored to be part of Team Nova Lash. I can honestly say Nova Lash found me. I am Kat Barala. I am Nova Lash.